aid in the process. Let him decide and pray for the best. The cola is so good. All those times I thought I was crying, I wasn't, because my eyes just keep watering. So maybe that's what's happening all the time. I never understand why these rickshaws, as soon as I'm downstairs, they cancel. Now I'm supposed to wait for another person to come. What we are doing today is we are going to run a few errands because that's the only time I surface. I need to go and pick up some makeup, that's why I'm barefaced. I'm looking, and I'll show you my favorite places to go and shop at. I was also thinking of going out tonight, but I think that's not happening. It's already 4:15. We won't heels after so long. Forgot how to walk in them. The fit, like everyone says. Imagine looking back at this like 20 years later and wondering why were we calling outfits fits. Think about it. I'm gonna sit now since I have to wait. Correct? हाँ? गलत?
हाँ गलत.
2096. U-turn लेना है. I sat in the wrong rickshaw with confidence as one is supposed to. Sorry. So now I planned this. I'll tell you what the plan is. I'm trying to get new foundation. I like the one I use, but I want something. Estee Lauder is very light coverage anyway, but I want something that's like a tint because I just want to try it out in case I do dance classes and stuff. So I'm going to go to the mall right now, and a friend who's a makeup artist taught me this trick. He said that whenever I buy makeup, I should try it on, keep it on for an hour or two, look at it in the mall lighting, outside, everywhere, like outdoor and natural light, and then make a decision. So that's what I'm going to do. But my favorite foundations, I would honestly recommend Kiko is really good, Estee Lauder is really good, MAC, all foundations are good, but it just depends on what you want out of your foundation and how comfortable you're with makeup on. I'll have to put on makeup for work, and even in modeling now they've stopped using a lot of product. I just feel like it's good to use less product. So it depends on what you like. Some people like the whole chemical smell in their foundation. I mean, most foundations have that smell, but you can decide. Even Body Shop had really good foundation. Okay, anyway, I'll see you all at the mall. It wasn't far. I was on a call for an hour. I don't speak to people at all, but the one time I choose to make a phone call, it lasts this long. Let's go. So I'm going to Nykaa because I want to try ELF Cosmetics, their foundation. So I'm just going to see how it looks. This is my skin before any foundation. Let's see how it sits. At Nykaa now, I'm trying on the foundation. Let's see which one works. ये वाला कौन सा वाला है? मैं करती हूँ इसे. आप मुझे वो वाला भी सैटिन वाला भी देखिए, मैं हाफ फेस उससे कर दी. Oh my god. She's got foundation inside my coat, guys. Okay, so the difference is that there are two foundations. There's a buy one get one on this one. This is the Pro Glam, the Glam Liquid Filter one. आधा फेस इससे कर देंगे वो आएगा. ये कलर ठीक है आपको? हाँ. Oh wow, it's very light. Very nice, yeah. ये परफेक्ट है. और तो मैं बाय वन गेट वन सिर्फ यही प्रोडक्ट ले सकती हूँ कि दूसरा प्रोडक्ट है? ओह वेरी गुड. So that's great, guys. You can get foundation and concealer. It's एकदम light है और बहुत hydrating भी है. आपको satin वाला भी लिखते हैं. Oh, this is very nice ना. बिल्कुल try भी नहीं करना चाहिए, है ना? आपने try किया वो वाला? Look at this. It's like skin literally. कौन सा shade है ये? So for my complexion, it is medium. It's really good, guys. शेड तो एल्फ के सारे सेम हो गए कलर. अगर मेरा इसमें ये शेड है तो सब में वही शेड होगा?
नहीं, सब
अलग अलग.
सैटन वाला है ना, जरा थोड़ा मैट फिनिश हो जाएगा.
तो मुझे यही चाहिए आई थिंक. बिकॉज मुझे नहीं तो बात लेके आइए. बस कंसीलर कोई है एल्फ का?
लेकिन एल्फ का ना थोड़ा कुछ ये कंसिस्टेंसी है, तो आप ये वाले इसके साथ आपको एकदम लाइट वेट करेंगे.
तो आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट रेकमेंड करेंगे फिर एल्फ का? दिस इज लाइक रियली नाइस.
इसका टेक्सचर सेम है.
और लैक्मे पे कोई ऑफर है? एक सेकंड, ये ना आप मुझे कलर करेक्टर है इसमें थोड़ा ऑरेंज शेड है और डार्कर शेड है. डार्क वाला दिखाना. ये कितने का है?
699.
So this was 699. So I'm going to try the darker thing. So always color correct before you put your concealer. It makes a big difference because of the shadows and your skin tone. So for me, I have to use something that's more peach. But if it depends on your vein color. For some people, like for acne especially, it's green color. You can use a green color corrector. It just cancels out this. You see this dark, because if you put concealer over it, a lot of people put concealer on this side. So you can take a red color, reddish orange, or you take a darker color. This is what the makeup artist has taught me, and it honestly works better. You can use your finger, but I'm just lazy. So see, you color correct it. So this cancels the darkness, and then you can add your concealer or foundation only on top, honestly. ये वाला darker वाला है ना? So see, you take the darker color and you put it here, and then you just put your foundation on top of it also. Honestly, it works. Here. So I think this works well. And then you do the foundation. Now I have a little pigmentation around my mouth. ये बहुत अच्छा है लैक्मे का. बहुत लाइट वेट है.
लाइट वेट इसकी.
आपने कौन सा वाला लगाया है?
मैंने एक्चुअली कंसीलर टाइप फाउंडेशन.
कौन सा वाला?
इसका टू फेस.
वेरी नाइस. पर टू फेस बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज है ना और हेवी भी है. सी इट कैंसर
मेकअप में.
अच्छा उनको पापा चाहिए तो ये कलर परफेक्ट है. बस अब ये इस साइड पे भी कर दिया. मैंने स्पंज मेरी आँख में डाल दिया. Oh my god, I was going to put this side in my eye, guys. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है?
भारती से हाय.
मैं vlogging कर रही हूँ. So Bharti the sweetheart, she's helping me. This is at the NIBM, Tribeca High Street. Come to her if you come here. She's really helpful and very sweet. And you know why she's nice? Because she gave me an honest review. She didn't just say take a thing from Elf. Because see, you need to find someone who gives you exactly what you need, what your requirement is. Mine is I want something light. So she understood that, and that's what's important. इससे एक शेड लाइट बहुत लाइट होगा बोलो.
ये कौन सा टाइप है? स्किन टोन के सबके हैं.
क्योंकि मैं बोल रही थी कि मैं ये कंसीलर की तरह भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ. नेक पे नहीं जरूरत नहीं. आई रिकवर माय नेक. नहीं फिर निकालने में और स्ट्रेस. Looking at eyeshadow palettes now. A mini one. This is from Nykaa. This is from Elf, and this one's from Lakme. So I'm going to try the consistency first. Now what we are doing is we are doing the checking the eyeshadow. So I'm leaning more towards this one. I don't know. Yeah, this one's better. And I have to figure this out. Let me figure it out and then start. Please remember to do this. Check your makeup in the light outside natural light. Mall lighting is different, yellow light, white light, because makeup looks different in every light. The foundation is a hit for sure. Concealer, I'm not convinced. I don't think the concealer did much. So let me figure the concealer out. So now I've tried the e.l.f. Concealer. Let's look at it in natural light. I'm going to try and use my editing skills and show you all the... I think it is better, definitely better, and I can build. Works. So now let's go and try eyeshadows. The thing with this method is that you keep walking in and out and check. So for the eyeshadow, now I love it, and now I love the brush set too. I'm not one to invest in brushes, but the foundation is actually really good. Foundation is a clear win. Concealer we are looking at. I'm using Too Faced right now. I need concealer though, on a serious note. I think Kala Khatta.
Can you do?
कितना फ्रेश है?
So I'm getting Kala Khatta. I think the foundation is sitting well. It's done good. The flash off. It literally looks like a filter. So I don't know, we are eye level, but this is really low.
सिर्फ काला खट्टा तो मैं मिक्स दे दूँ
मिक्स कौन सा वाला होगा?
जो आपको चाहिए मुझे काला खट्टा ऑरेंज कच्ची कैरी कर दूँ
कौन सा वाला अच्छा टेस्ट करता है काला खट्टा के साथ?
काला खट्टा का साथ कच्ची कैरी ऑरेंज
आप कर दो अपने हिसाब से. Very important. You have faith in the process. Let him decide and pray for the best.
ट्राई करूँ
क्या प्राइस? ट्राई
I forgot how good Cola is.
चीज
I'm having this up for years. हाँ मुझे ऐसे लग भी नहीं रहा गले में के.
दिक्कत आपको कल पड़ेगा
सही बोल रहा
अगर
हूँ.
वही सस्ती चीज़ खड़ी हुई चीज़ देंगे तो कितनी भी दे दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. पेमेंट हो गया मैम? ओके थैंक यू. कोई बात नहीं कोई बात.
You all want to come in the vlog, no? बहुत अच्छा है सच में. मैंने इतना अच्छा गोला कभी नहीं.
मुंबई में भी है थोड़ा.
I'm so happy right now. You'll have no idea. This is supposed to be filter water and there's no chemicals in the syrup, so it's great.
पॉपकॉर्न ट्राई करेंगे मैम.
Oh, how sweet!
बटर सॉल्ट है.
Wow. So good. My eyes are watering.
चंडीगढ़ की सिटी अच्छी लगी है इधर की? चंडीगढ़ जैसा कोई शहर ही नहीं है. कहीं भी आप घूम लो. पुणे, बॉम्बे, औरंगाबाद, हैदराबाद, नासिक.
The cola is so good.
हमने स्टार्टिंग
All those times I thought I was crying, I wasn't because my eyes just keep watering. So maybe that's what's happening all the time. नहीं, it's okay. Thank you. No, it's good. It's really good. I'm just praying I don't catch a cold for real though. So what happened was that I went and picked up what I wanted. They didn't have change, and also they were checking if they could get another product. Let's see what happened. To West Side. I love West Side and Marks and Spencer for clothing, especially basics. Let's check them out. I want a white tank top and some clothes to work out in. So let's see. So I'm done. I'm waiting for the rickshaw now. This is how the makeup is looking. I really think it's worth it. Pro filter. I think I'm also going to get the concealer, honestly. I don't know, I'm not completely convinced if you look at it closer. Because I did put more. But the foundation is a definite win. I don't think a lot of people are interested in this. This foundation talk. जल्दी जाओ वरना Santa Claus आ जाएगा. जाओ 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 जल्दी जाओ जल्दी जाओ जल्दी जाओ. Why am I scaring a child saying Santa Claus will come? Go fast, go fast, go fast. The mother is grateful. He will think I'm scary, but the mother thinks I'm great. Now I have to just order a few things of Nykaa because some things were not in stock. Anyways, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was more intriguing than the, I don't know what, than your day was. Actually, I don't hope that. That's a little mean. Bye!